Southwest Airlines incidents in 2024. On March 23rd, a Southwest flight aborted landing at LaGuardia Airport because the air traffic control tower was in its way. On April 7th, parts of the engine cowling of a Boeing 737-800 aircraft ripped off during takeoff out of Denver Airport. On April 11th, a Boeing 737 MAX 8 was within 400 feet of the ocean, but pilots quickly pulled up, avoiding disaster. On May 25th, another Boeing 737 MAX 8 experienced a Dutch roll while cruising. A Dutch roll is when the aircraft rolls and when it yaws, a twisting movement. Both happening together can lead to loss of control and ending badly. On June 19th, a 737-800 was about 500 feet high, about 9 miles away from Oklahoma City Airport. On June 25th, a Boeing 737-700 took off out of a closed runway at Portland Jetport. Fun fact, this clip of the Southwest aircraft is on the same runway the incident occurred on. On July 14th, a Southwest flight was landing at Tampa Bay Airport in Florida when it was about 150 feet from the ground, about 5